Hi, this is Naveed here from naveedplace.com. In this lecture, we are going to learn Adobe Flash Professional CC. This is our very first lecture on Flash. Now, when you open Adobe Flash first time, so you will see the things like this. So the first thing you see here, that is open. Now, open recent item means that the last time you work and you save, and if you want to continue your work, and if you want to open your previous file, you click on open and locate your file, and that file will be open for you. Then we have templates. Now, what is the meaning of templates? Templates are basically those things which are already made for you. For example, if you want to work with animation, so you no need to make animation from the scratch. For example, this is the thing. If you want to make the animation, so you no need to make the thing from the sketch, means it's here. So just like that it is the thing. If you want to work with this, if you want to work with banners, you no need to make from the scratch. That direct is Adobe Flash is saying to you that I have this thing. If you want to work in this in my template, so you can also work in the templates. So you no need to make from the sketch, and that is, if you don't want to work this, so you no need to worry about it. Then we have Adobe Exchange. So it's about that if it is it has a connection with the internet. If you have internet, so definitely it will open for you. Then we have the create new. Create new means that Adobe Flash is asking that what you want to create. If you want to work, either you want to work in HTML5, anything. So I say that mostly people and we will also work in ActionScript 3. And if you want to work in any of this, so you can also work here. Then we have introduction. Introduction means that it's just like that if you are very new to Adobe Flash, and if you want to get help, so you can directly get help, and you can click on getting start, and the tutorials will open for you if you have an internet. Then we have that learn. If you want to learn Adobe after that, if you want to learn about the Flash Developer Center, so you can also learn here. And then we have Adobe TV. Adobe TV means that if Adobe Photoshop release any new product, so you can get the information here. And if you say that don't show again, so it will not be shown anymore. Now, in order to work in Adobe Flash Professional, I will click on ActionScript 3. As you can see here, now the tools are open and many things are here. The first thing you see here, this is called the menu bar, and as you can see, there are many tools are many menus are menu bar, and the many menus are available. Save, and all things are here. Inshallah, we will go through of all these menus in subsequent lecture. Then we have document window. Right now our document is untitled because we didn't save it. Then we have the toolbox, and you can see here that there are many tools are available. Then we have, this is called the white area, is called a stage. What is called a stage? Now, what is the work of stage? That the people they perform their act. So same here, that we will also perform our act in our stage. Then we have, this is called the work area. Now whatever the thing will be in the work area won't be shown, won't be seen. Then we have the time area, timeline. Timeline means that, for example, is basically used for animation. What animation? Talk about the cartoons. So if you see that the cartoon move, the cartoon hand is waving, so it's because of the timeline. Because at the first in the first frame we leave his hand, in the second step we also leave his hand more. So when we gather all these pictures, so then it creates an animation. So basically this is timeline and is mostly used for animation. So basically this was the intro to Adobe Flash CC. I hope you enjoy and learn. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will learn something new. I hope you enjoy and learn. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.